All right, you guys. That's what happened when I'm watching the 2 hour finale event on the CW of Supergirl. And you hear some sort of static noise that keeps on going during the original broadcast. And then led up to an hour and 38 minutes. The original audio's been, yeah, the audio's been clear already. Hear this.
Foundational level.
There. Hear this again. There.
Foundational level. It's love.
You see that? What the hell happens wrong with the CW33 for, huh? I report the CW network and I report the CW33 TV station about this. But luckily, I finally watched the entire the 2 hour finale on Netflix. I was lucky to watch, so thank you, Netflix. Whoever lives around the DFW area, you're screwed for what it originally aired on November 9th, 2021. If you want to watch the full episodes with clear audio sound, watch it on Netflix. They used to have it on the CW website and the app, but not anymore. And I will report the network and the local TV station at the CW33 about this. So, cheers to Netflix. Thank you.